10 seconds. Stabilizing. Hibernation activated.
All the things we do for
Well, it's our final move today. Finally, we're doing the big move. We took possession yesterday, and yeah, pretty exciting. As you can see, the golf bar is already inside. Some of my tools are already in there as well. But we're getting all the big stuff today. Anyways, folks, we're all moved in, and first night here in our beautiful home, and so exciting here, guys. It's almost like a dream come true. Can't even believe it. It's like I'm dreaming and wondering if when I'm gonna wake up here. But yeah, no, it's really awesome. Our house is finally finished. First day here tonight. Everything got packed in, and yeah, they just need to work on our driveway, our stonework at the front here. But other than that, yeah, no, we're so happy. We're pretty much in. Stay tuned for all the videos coming up. So all right, guys, until next time. What a beautiful morning today. The sunset. Wake up this morning and just a wonderful day here in our house. Look at that. Beautiful. First day, first morning in our beautiful home. Girl's still sleeping, trying to catch up from yesterday's big move. I'm a little sore, everything is sore, but hey, lots of physical work there. I'm so glad that lots of our friends were able to come and help us. Really helped us out there quite a bit in terms of hiring someone to really do the work for us. But anyways, yeah, no, we're fairly excited. And we are pretty much all moved in here. The house still pretty messy, but yeah, I got most of the stuff in place. And of course, Tero's here. Tero's in his house, right? Right, Chester? Yeah. This little boy here is just so curious as to this place is. He cannot contain himself, running around, trying to smell everything here, trying to familiarize himself with the new place. So, are you hungry now, Chester? So, beautiful morning, that's for sure.